Guys, it's October. Literally, the best time of the year is finally officially here, and I am over the moon excited. If you guys have been following me for any amount of time, or if you just know me in general, then you guys already know this is my season, okay? Like, I literally wait for this month all year long. Literally, the day after Halloween, I'm already waiting for Halloween again. I'm like, hurry up. I need you back. So yeah, even though I'm late to the game and we are several days into the month, spooky time starts now. So excited! So if you have been following me since last Halloween, or maybe even if you are new, maybe you've just went back and looked at my old videos. Last year I did a series of looks. I think I only did like 4 or 5 looks for YouTube. I think that's all I did last year. Not sure, but anyways, this year things are going to be a little bit different. Obviously, I have some looks planned that I'm going to be filming and putting here on the tube for all of my lovely subscribers to enjoy, as well as some other type of videos. I don't know what those other types are going to be, but whatever they are, it's going to be Halloween-ish themed. You know, it may be a vlog, maybe a nail tutorial, maybe some Halloween DIYs. I'm not 100% sure yet, but it will be Halloween themed. I don't know, I just didn't want to do just makeup looks here this year because that's what I did last year. I just think it's only fair because while I do love Halloween makeup and Halloween costumes and transforming myself into whatever or whoever I want to be, I love everything about Halloween, everything about fall, everything about October. I just love everything about it, so I want to incorporate other things besides just makeup as well. So yeah, the plan, I say that lightly because when I tend to plan things, they just never really work out. Story of my life. So yeah, anyways, the plan, I would like to do like a week, do like at least 1 look here on YouTube and 1 other type of Halloween video. So 2 videos a week, a look and another Halloween themed video. That's the plan, but my life is a little crazy and chaotic, so don't be mad if it doesn't quite work out. I'm gonna try my hardest, but yeah, don't come for me if it doesn't. I'm warning you now. But don't fret, because for my makeup lovers out there, don't worry. If you follow me right here on my Instagram at _Bria Simone _, you will be able to see way more makeup looks that I'm going to put up here on YouTube. So for YouTube, I may only film like, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 looks, but Instagram will have a lot more. I don't know how many more, but it will have more. I've already done a couple already, so you should definitely go check those out. Yeah, sometimes it's just easier with my crazy chaotic life with 2 kids, and my man works a night shift and he's the one who keeps the kids contained while I do these things. So yeah, it's just, my life is crazy. I really have to plan things out, and if I don't, they just typically don't work out. So with my crazy schedule, sometimes it's just a lot easier. You know, I can just sit down with a snack and some music and just do my thing and post a selfie for the gram. So that's one reason why. Also, like I've mentioned before, I am trying to grow my Instagram a little bit. So yes, it all goes hand in hand and just works out best. So we are going to have some Halloween fun here, but makeup wise, go follow me on the gram because you'll be able to see a lot more. Anyways, enough about that. Let's get into today's look, shall we? So for today, I wanted to kind of ease us on in, even though, you know, I'm ready to go full force. But I know some people, you know, need a little bit of warming up. So it's gonna kind of warm you up and ease you on in. I wanted to kind of do like a glam Halloween look. And the one I'm gonna be doing today is inspired by the oh so talented Miss Voodoo Barbie doll over on Instagram. I love her work. I've been following her for a while now. I saw this look and I was like, oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I love it. I need to recreate it on my face right now. And it's literally like the perfect Glamoween type look. I am going to tweak it just a little bit, but I did want you guys to know that this look is heavily inspired by her. And when I first thought about doing this look, I was like, okay, but I'm going to change the colors up a little bit, you know, just to make it a little bit more my own. But I'm not going to lie to you, that green is just speaking to me. And I also literally had the same exact lipstick that she used on her lips. So I was like, you know what? I'm doing the green, screw it, let's do it. So yeah, Sydney, shout out to you, girl. Whew, let's get started. Alrighty, so you guys are zoomed in just a smidge. Obviously, I already have my entire base on because I really wanted to focus solely on this gorgeous look. So yes, our entire base is done. I mean, blush, bronzer, highlight, the whole nine, girl. So jumping straight on into the ojos, you guys already know when it's a colorful look going down over here, got to go with my girl 35B, which I hate to even use this thing because it's actually been discontinued, I believe, because conspiracy theory, although I don't really think it is, I believe they're coming out with a new revamped colorful palette, and I believe James Charles is going to be the one behind it. That's what I believe. So in due time, we shall see. Anyways, I'm going to grab this gorgeous colorful palette, and I'm going to reach in and grab this third from the top green shade right here. And I'm taking that on a Morphe M433, and I'm just going to start blending her into my crease, and also bringing the ends out just a smidge because we are going to be doing a cut crease. So now that she is laid, I'm going to reach in and grab the green that's right here on the very bottom, and I'm taking that on kind of like a eyeshadow packing brush, picking her up, and I'm going to start placing her a little bit lower than the green that we just laid down, and blending her into the crease as well. Ooh, maybe the first green I used should have been a little bit lighter. Oh well. Alrighty then, so now I'm going to take this NYX white eyeshadow base, another little concealer brush here, and I'm going to cut that crease, honey, which I'm nervous about because I can do a half cut crease like nobody's business, but this all the way over full crease, like, I'm not gonna lie, she's a little rusty. I don't do those that often, so obviously don't have a lot of practice in that, but we's gonna try. Lord guide my hands. Whew, child, I don't even think I breathed during that moment. It was intense, and honestly they're not even that even because my eyes are very rude and disrespectful, and they decided not to be symmetrical in themselves. Therefore, it is very hard to get any kind of cut crease or anything to be 100% the same, but you know what, it is what it is. We're gonna make do. So now, going back to my homegirl 35B, going to dip in with a eyeshadow packing brush and take that white there and start packing her onto the lid. Right, so now it's time to start defining things and working on the web. What I'm first going to do is take this Wet n Wild black mega liner, just a black liquid liner. I'm basically just going to start outlining the top edge of that cut crease. I breathe and sabotage myself. Great. Don't worry, I'll go back and fix it with some more of that white concealer and stuff. Jesus, girl, you had one job. Lord, that was stressful. And now it's about to get even more stressful because it's time to do the actual spider web. So to do the web, I'm just going to be drawing lines, straight lines connecting to this black line here that we put above the crease. And so clearly I'm dumb because I'm supposed to draw the lines all going the same way, but clearly I did not. So we're just going to work with it. Now I'm just going to start drawing little curved lines connecting to the straight ones until we have a web. Okay, so that looks like crap, but whatever, we're not redoing it. So for this, I am going to do a web, but it's going to be a little bit different, thank God, because like I honestly do not want to try to recreate that. Nope, I can't. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and just give myself a nice little wing. I'm also gonna take that black liner and just kind of bring down my inner corner as well. So now going back to my Morphe 35B, I'm just going to reach in and grab the black shade here. I'm going to start smoking out that bottom waterline. And don't worry, like I said, I am going to do a web over on this side, but I do want to get the lower lash line smoked out first. And then grabbing some of that dark green that we used in the crease up here and just putting that below the black. And now I'm just going back in with that lighter shade of green and just blending that out so it's not so dark and crazy. And so for this side, for the spider web, I'm actually going to do a little half web coming from the wing and then a spider dropping down. So that's the plan. Let's hope that we have a little bit better luck drawing the web on this side than we did with this one, because girl. Something like that. And now I'm just going to draw like a little web coming down, like a little squiggly line, and then draw on a spider. So yes, this is what we have so far. So now, really fast off camera, I'm going to finish off the eyes with some lashes, and then I'll be right back to finish off the rest of the look. Alright, here we are with a nice pair of lashes. You guys already know those were the Christina lashes in the WSP style. Love these. Nicole Guerrero put me on. You can get them from Amazon. And now that we have that done, I need to go back and do something that I forgot to do. Something that I typically do before mascara, but whatevs. I'm going to highlight the inner corner. So I'm just going to take this little kind of white shimmery eyeshadow thing from Sephora and use that. So lastly, to finish off the looks, we're just going to do the lips. The one we're going to be using today is by Wet n Wild. This is from their Mega Last Liquid Catsuit line, and this is in the shade Emerald City. Ooh, honey. Ooh. Maybe I should do some black lip liner. Yeah, let's try that. Just to kind of give it a little bit more definition. Obviously, she is way lighter than me, so this green really looked good against her skin tone. But for me, I'm going to need a little bit more definition there. So now I'm just going to go back in with that green and blend everything out. And also give it a second coat. Yes, so much better. Ooh, I love this. So that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do now is pop on a few accessories. Really just a little choker, in which is a plain black choker of mine. And I am taking a black fake spider, and I'm going to hook it on here, and that's what I'm going to put on around my neck. And I might just even pop a wig on just to kind of add to the vibe, because my hair is not it. Ooh, so I really don't know how I feel about this wig. I mean, it's cute or whatever, but you know, it's a little much. And then these bangs, honey, I don't even know what's going on with these bangs, but I don't know, maybe it adds to the edginess factor. So yeah, that pretty much wraps this look up. Even though it kind of stressed me out a bit, I really did enjoy recreating this. I had so much fun and I loved how it turns out. And I hope you guys enjoyed it too. My camera battery is dying, so I'm going to keep this outro really fast, simple, straight to the point. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I cannot wait to bring you guys more Halloween looks, as well as other types of Halloween videos. I'm so excited, and I hope you are too. Also, if you're a Halloween lover like myself, let me know down below what it is you guys actually love about Halloween or fall or just the whole October season. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Halloween fun. I love you all, and I will see ya in the next one.